So you want to go to your Wix editor right here. And the first one, to link the text to another pages, you can just choose any text that you want to take you to other pages when somebody click on it. For example, I want to do it on my new collection art text right here. You can just click on the text and click again 2 times to block or highlight the specific text. Then right here on the text settings, you want to click on the link icon right here below this font size. And then here, you can just choose on page. And then on the which page, you can choose any page that you want your text to be linked with. For example, I want to link it with my post right here. And then you can choose the specific post. For example, I want to do it on shop handmade jewelry. And then click on done. And there you go. And also to remove the hyperlink underline right here, you can do a double click again on the text. Or just highlight or block the text again. And then right here on the underline icon, you can just uncheck it. And there you go. So if I do preview my page right here by clicking on preview and then click on new collection alert, as you can see, it will take me to the specific post. And the second one, to link the image. So for example, I want to do it on my image right here. You can just click on the image, click on 2 times until this change image and edit image appear. And then right here, click on the link icon again, and then just do the same thing with the text. And then click on done. And the last one, to link the button. For example, I want to link my shop now button right here. Just click on the button and then again click on the link icon and then do the same thing as before. And to add the button, you can just go to your left side of your screen and then click on add elements right here. On add elements, you can just choose the button and then you can just click on any of the button. And then to fix the issue about the notification that said to add a link, first remove the line break. So when you try to create a hyperlink from the text, the common issue is you are clicking on the quote-unquote wrong hyperlink icon. This one right here. Instead, you want to click on link icon at the top of the text. On this one, beside this help button. So you want to click on this link icon and then not this one. And that's it. If you do still have any issue, please comment down below. I will try to assist you to solve your problem. And that's how to link to another page on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.